Are you working on your manifestation day and night and being crazy about it, like what will happen once your manifestation will come true? Hi everyone, my name is Diksha Dogra. I'm a manifestation coach and speaker. A lot of times it happened with me. Like initially, when I started my own journey of manifesting dreams and rewiring my subconscious mind, I was being curious about doing all the techniques and just wondering when will it happen? When will it happen? If you are also in the same state, then you need to hear this. Manifestation cannot happen when you are feeling that thing, whatever your dream is, not already there in your life. Manifestation happens in the state of gratitude, happiness, joy, elevated emotions, right? So you have to bring yourself into a state where you feel like whatever you want to manifest is already there in your life and you are happily enjoying it. That's the key to manifestation. Now, I'm going to share one technique with you so that you can share this video with anyone who is manifesting but not able to see any results in their life, so that you too can use it and manifest beautiful things in your life. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to save this video because more content will be on your way to manifest your dreams effortlessly. So I was talking about technique which you can use to be in a state of, joy and happiness, and that is gratitude. There is a complete book called Magic on this gratitude, like how the power of gratitude can change your life. See, what exactly happens? You can either be grateful or fearful. You can either be grateful or be full of worry and negativity. So you need to decide how you want to be. If you want to really manifest your dreams in this life, then whenever you get up early in the morning, you get up with an intention of being grateful of your desire as if it's already there in your life. And throughout your day, I know you are a busy person and that's okay, all right? But throughout your day, whenever you feel like you have 2 minutes, just go into that state again, calmly, without any distraction, and be grateful for the same dream that you want to manifest as if it's already there, and you are being so grateful and happy about it. And do not forget to miss it before you sleep. All right, because when you sleep, you enter into that brain waves that will help your subconscious mind to rewire it. So do not forget to do it before you go to your bed. All right, same thing you need to do. Just close your eyes for 2 minutes and think about it as if it's already done, and just be grateful for that. So gratitude is not only about the things which are already there in your life. It is more about having, being grateful about things which are not yet in your life, because in your mind it's there. So you have to feel it here. That's how you will get it here. All right, so as I said, do not forget to subscribe the channel and comment your queries so that you can get all the answers, and you can use this technique without any doubt in your mind. Thank you.